This is Heidi Blackie. Thank you so much for joining me. I want to just show you some beautiful views from my hike and just tell you, oh, here comes Run right now. That's Tango. And just tell you how healing nature is and restorative. Nature helps us to slow down, to breathe. We release the feel-good hormones of serotonin and dopamine and oxytocin when we're in nature. And you can feel the air, well, up here, the air is clearer and it's incredible. Even a plant can change the way you feel and change your environment. So try it out. Thanks for watching.